Yo, good afternoon, guys. Yeah, we're going home now. I just stopped here because I see this. I see this. Very beautiful. Yeah, looks like a painting. Nice. And there's one bird there. A lorikeet. Okay, we go. Look at that. Really, that cloud is beautiful. Yo, good morning, guys. Yeah, we're going to work now. There is a little tiny droplets of water. Maybe it is going to have a rain later on. Yeah, we don't know. Yeah, I'm going to work now. It's cloudy and you can see the color of the water. It's not blue. The color of the clouds reflects to the water and it's dark like that. Yeah, it's still beautiful. Yeah, this is how it is. Not so much people at the moment. What's that? Yeah, there it always happens. There's something like a spider hanging down there and going to my face. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, sir. No, from here it's going down. So need to be keep on holding on the brakes to keep it slowly moving. Otherwise it is going fast and dangerous. Okay, just be safe. Oh, there is a couple. We're not going to disturb them. We're going to the other side. Good morning. Good morning. I always wanted to put this camera in here, but you know, the audio, the sound, the vibration of the bike, of the wheel, yeah, the vibration of the bike, you can hear it in the camera, so not the best. Oh, there are two ladies. They're walking their dog, and I don't want to disturb them, so we'll be just moving slowly until they notice me. No, that's not good. I think I need to ring the bell. I do. That's the best thing. Sorry, thank you. Yeah, you know, some people just right after you ring the bell and they will say, "Oh, thank you for doing that." Some people they will just smile, you know. Good morning. Oh, lots of people here. There's something like a party. I will show you. I will turn the camera. Whoa, look at that. They're having a party, like a barbecue gatherings. Nice. Good morning. Easier. Life would be a breeze, you know. Really should be glad, and I'm bluer than blue, sadder than sad. You're the only life this empty room has ever had. Oh, let's stop here for a little bit. I will show you. Look at this green grass, really beautiful looking. They are properly taking care of the people living in there. I will show you those flowers. Look at it, there's grasshopper. When I was very young, we are catching grasshopper. We dive in like this, book. We do that. Look at these flowers are growing again, getting back to normal because of the rain in the previous days. Yeah, you don't see this much of flowers in the city because the plants in the city are mostly plants that are, what are those? Because most of these are with plants. Yeah, yeah, there are flowers everywhere. Yo, good afternoon, guys. Yeah, we're just going out to go to the grocery to buy something for tomorrow. Stay still, I will thank you forever. Yeah, tomorrow me and Nigo and Kurt, we are going for something like a camping, I don't know. And yeah, I don't know actually. But Inigo asked me to buy some mixed green salad and cooked rice. Yeah, so I'm going to do that. And it's just a little bit cold this time. Maybe just this afternoon, or maybe because I am in the bike, so there is the wind. And maybe because I am wearing a t-shirt. Yeah, and this t-shirt, this is a trial. If you can say I'm selling this in YouTube. Yeah, I have this t-shirt in YouTube, TS Spring. If you want to buy, you can buy that. Thank you very much if you do that, because a percentage of that will go to the charity helping the Filipino kids in the Philippines. I am currently singing along with the music. It might be you. All of my life. It is busy in this restaurant, lane of restaurant here. Nice. Yo, okay, we're going inside the grocery. Nice music playing in the background. I never gonna love and ask for more. If I ever fall in love again. Yeah, we're going to take one of these. No? No. This one instead. We're also going to take one of these.